You're welcome to my channel. If you want to see how I achieve this look, keep watching. Aren't they lovely? Please comment below. Okay, let's get started. For this hair, I use synthetic extensions. I stretched out the hair. In my last video, I talked about stretching out the hair. So in this particular video, I won't go in details about it. So I cut the hair into 4 parts. After stretching it out, I combed it with a big brush. It's easier when you comb with a big brush. Then I'm ready to make the curls. So you take part of it, then you get your spiral rod. So you put your spiral rod at the center of the hair, then you wound it around. So just keep winding. You wind it around. Sometimes you can twist and wind. When you twist and wind, you get a very tight coil. But if you don't twist and wind, you get a loose coil. For me, I prefer the loose coil. Then you use a rubber band at the ends. Use the bigger rubber bands, because if you use a smaller rubber band, it will cut before your hot water enters this hair. So use a bigger rubber band. Here I'm doing it the second time so that you can see it closely, and it's on a slow motion so that you can get it exactly. Remember, I said you should use a big rubber band, because when I was doing it, I used a small rubber band. When I was ready to put the hot water, I found out that some of them were loosened. I had to do them all over again, and it took me more time. So use the normal big rubber band for this hair. yes, this is a final look. My next video I will be doing the installation of this coil. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe and comment down below. Bye.